Okay, I previously showed you how to embed your presentation slides into a content page. You can actually do the same thing with Google Forms so that your Google Form actually displays within Schoology. Whoops, I'm getting an error. Let me try again. Add a page. Okay, and this time I'm going to call it embedding a Microsoft form into a content page. Okay, now when you insert content, you can insert it as a link, but if you actually want it to display when the page is opened, it's a little bit of an extra step. So if you have a form, I'll use the SSPD application form as an example. Now, when you share it, you obviously have the option to send it as a link. You can generate a QR code for people, or you can embed it directly. So this is where you want to select. So select embed and copy this text. Come back to where you're creating and just paste that in there. Now, if I click create now, and let's go back and open it up and see what it did, you will see that it's just pasted the text, and this is obviously not what you want. You want the form to show. So let's delete that. And look at this little button here. So you can switch to HTML. Now that's where you use computer coding. So if I switch to here and paste that same code, now look, when I switch back, now it's embedded that Microsoft form for us. All right, so I can now click Save Changes. And there it is. All right, so now the form displays in Schoology. All right, so hope that was simple enough. So just remember to paste that embed code into the HTML side of things. Now this does have a height and a width, so if you want to change it, if you want this to display a little bit wider, and maybe you want it to display a little bit longer, you can change that height and width. Okay, so if I now, let's see if I save changes now, you will see it displays a little bit bigger and it goes a little bit longer. Well, it's just a bigger file that actually displays into the content page. All right, so no need to navigate links. Everything is just going to be there if you make use of the embed function. If you need help, please let me know.